Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're going to look at the Sony XV33 versus the JBL Flip 6 to see which one have a better audio and which one you should buy if you are considering buying a small speaker under £100. So let me go through the spec very quickly for both of the speakers before we're going to try the audio out. When you come to the JBL Flip 6, it's around £100 at the moment. Come in quite a lot of colors. You have red, blue, camo, pink, black and brown. So you have quite a lot of colors. You can pick and choose. 12-hour playtime, IP67, water and dust proof, party boost, so you can connect multiple speakers together, and it is supported by Bluetooth 5.1. Pretty much on the top you have all the control for the speakers. You have a USB intake for that. It's a very simple speaker, and not only that, you do get a JBL EQ app, so you can actually use to play around with the audio setting. So now we're going to look at the Sony XP33. Sony came around last year. It's around £110, so £10 more than the JBL. Come in quite a lot of colors. You can have red, blue, cream, black, gray. So you have quite a lot of colors you can actually pick and choose on the Sony. 24-hour playtime. Again, they did have a problem with the battery life where the battery doesn't hold a charge. I had the speakers for over 2 years. I'm getting around 10 hours of charge. It doesn't hold exact 24 hours of battery. If you are considering buying the Sony speaker, just remember that. IP67, water and dust proof, so you can take the speaker underwater for 30 minutes. Supported by Bluetooth 5.0, you can connect the speaker with multiple devices. Well, also you do get a party mode, so you can connect up to 100 speakers together. With the Sony EQ app XV33, you do also get a built-in power bank, so if you want to charge your device with the charge, you can actually do that. That is the additional features they added. Again, they can't even hold their own battery. Try to charge other device, so it's quite funny. When you come to the size, you can see the Sony is pretty big. JBL is a very small speaker. When you come to the length as well as the width, is a very small speaker. Now we're going to try the audio and see which one offers the best audio.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. So let them rain on your spark. Keep it close. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. So let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. So let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. So let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love the sound. Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love. Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love. Swear your love is ecstasy. Get high when you're next to me. I'm in the clouds. Your touch is my remedy. Lose all of my sanity. I love.
I shed so many tears that my tear ducts turn red. Now that hemoglobin flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up, and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gonna try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide behind these tears. Lord, please take away. I shed so many tears that my tear ducts turn red. Now that hemoglobin flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up, and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gonna try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide behind these tears. Lord, please take. I shed so many tears that my tear dots turn red. Now that hemoglobin flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up, and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gonna try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide behind these tears. Lord, I shed so many tears that my tear dots turn red. Now that hemoglobin flowing, keeping vampires fed. They wanted to jam me in, lock me up, and throw away the key. A pack of hyenas, he laughing at me. They took many shortcuts by backstabbing me. If I don't get out they grip, then these vultures won't dip. I ain't afraid to die and fly off to the sky, but I got more life to live, so today I'm gonna try to strive, not to hide behind my fears, hide behind the years, and hide.
So I have tried both of the speakers with different type of audio. There is a big audio difference between the JBL Flip 6 versus the XP33. Both of them have a very different on the audio spec. When you come to the loudness, the Sony 33 have a much louder audio than the Flip 6. The Sony come with a 90 watts of audio output, but on the JBL Flip 6 come with a 30 watts of audio output. So there's a big difference on the how loud the audio is going to be. The Sony XP33 have a much louder audio than the Flip 6. When you come to audio quality, the JBL Flip 6 have a much better audio than the Sony XP33. So when you come to bass, so if you're a person who love bass, you're going to enjoy the JBL more than the Sony. The Sony have a really good bass. Comparing with the Flip 6, the audio wasn't that great in the Sony. Flip 6 with or without the app, you have amazing bass. So if you do want more bass, you can actually go to the EQ app and add more bass on the Flip 6. The same thing you can do on the Sony XP33, but there is a big audio quality difference between both of the speakers. I really like the Flip 6. The reason being is very natural audio. Not only that, is a very clear audio than the Sony. Overall audio quality, JBL Flip 6 have a much better audio than this. If you're looking for a speaker that is under £100, I highly recommend going with the JBL Flip 6 over the Sony XP33 or the Sony XP43. The reason being is have a much better audio, much pleasant audio than the Sony XP33. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.